Welcome back, lovely people. So this is one of my favorite fritters, but before I get into this recipe, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone for their support. Big up on yourself, enough love and respect. So for this recipe, you will need 2 bananas, some all-purpose flour, brown sugar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and water. So step number 1 is to peel the bananas, add them to a bowl, use a fork to mash these out, and then once everything is all mashed out, you're gonna go in with your brown sugar, your vanilla extract, combine all of that. Then you're gonna add your flour, your nutmeg, your cinnamon, a pinch of salt, combine all of that, and then you're gonna gradually add some water. You're not gonna add too much though. The full measurements will be listed in the description, so make sure you check that out. So once you add all the ingredients, you're going to combine all of this together, and then you're going to gradually add some water. Not too much, because we're not looking for a watery consistency. We want a thick batter. So this is the perfect consistency right here, and this is the consistency you want to achieve. So the next step is to add some oil to a frying pan, and then once the oil is hot, you're gonna go ahead and add some spoonfuls of this mixture, and you want to fry them until they're golden brown. So once the bottom starts to brown up a little bit and you start seeing some air pockets on top, you know it's time to flip these. So flip them and let the other side brown up. So as you can see, I didn't flip the ones in the middle. I'm giving them a couple more seconds just to brown up before flipping them. Alright, so they're ready to be flipped, and also you can make some room and start adding some more fritters because we're going to take out these soon. So just taking these out now, and what you want to do is to place these on a paper towel so the excess oil can be drained, and then add some more butter to your pot and then do the same thing. So this is the last batch that I'm removing right now, and this completes the banana fritters recipe. You can have this with your favorite sides, for example steamed callaloo, collard greens, cabbage, ackee, and the list goes on. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this recipe, but most importantly, try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all again in my next video.